Hey Doggie Dojo! In the last year, there has been an upgrade to our dog family. No, it is not a robot that can train my dog. I don't know how I feel about that. Welcome to the family, the new dog van. I want to bring you guys along on a dock diving trip that we did in our new vehicle. So hop on in and let's get going. What are you doing? Get on in here.
Okay, let's go.
Hey Doggie Dojo, we are here at dock diving. Woo! We're so excited. We're here in our new setup. We have our baby, Zoe, all strapped in. Say hi, Zoe! We have our puppies in their ruffling kennels, and we have a new addition. We have a AC in our vehicle so we can stay warm, because right now it's like 100 degrees outside. So up here, we have an AC unit to help keep this cabin cool in 100-degree heat, because it was important for us because we want to make sure not only our dogs are staying cool, but our baby and us. So we're excited and we're gonna get some dock diving going. Come join us. Personal best for Disney, over 25 feet. So exciting. Time to head on home. Whew. So one of the other features in this van is rolled rubber. We put the rolled rubber from the studio, the leftovers, and we put them in the bottom of this van, which has made it really nice for a long day at dock diving, where Disney not only got his personal best score, but he also got his title. He got the elite title. My goodness. So when you do dock diving, you have the different divisions depending on how far you jump. The first 5 cues you get in each of those divisions, then you get a title, and then you have to get 25 cues for your next title. So it's a little bit more of a distance after your first title, but it's worth it. It's fun, and it's all dependent on how far your dog jumps off the dock. All right, this is actually Trevor from the future, and we have a few more upgrades. If you noticed before, there's crates like right here. Now we have a storage area for all of our stuff, and we have 3 areas for kennels, a little shelf to kind of support all of that, as well as we have it where we can strap them in a little tighter, making sure that they're safe on the road. So that's upgrade number 1 with the van. We also added a second battery to the solar panels. Oh yeah, that wasn't in there before. Look at this. Check this out. Ta-da! Isn't that cool? So these are all solar panels, and they charge up batteries inside of the vehicle, so that way when we have the car off, we can keep the AC running and keep it going for a long period of time. I don't know if you guys saw in the video, but there's another upgrade that I have to show you. Rich has partnered with me with this wallet. They have helped streamline, just like we've streamlined our dog van here to make it incredible for all of our adventures. Rich has streamlined the wallet here and sent me to try out this awesome little slim wallet, as well as their slim little key case. Isn't that the slickest thing? What's really cool about this is that it matches this rolled rubber in my studio and now in the van. I love the Ridge wallet. It has a main card holder that uses an elastic band to hold up to 12 IDs and credit cards. It's RFID blocking technology to prevent wireless theft. It's waterproof. It has a cash strap and a money clip. But then if you pay for it with cash, you can also have this handy coin tray that you can slip in there to keep your coins in there. Now, before, my keys were just a jumbled mess, and this has really helped streamline my keys down to organize them and prevent them from jingling so much. And when I have dogs and a baby and all this stuff, I needed something that was just a little bit more organized, and organization just helps me and my life just go so much more smoothly. And I appreciate Ridge Wallet for sending me the wallet and key case. Thanks for watching here on the Doggie Dojo. If you have any questions about the van or the brand new studio, we can do like a little studio tour if you guys are interested. As always, have some fun with your dogs, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.